What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content, and last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, man, give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, getting right into the video, man. We got a red Nike Dunk box. I guess this technically would be an early release. I don't think this released on sneakers or many online places yet. But check your local Hibbits, your local City Gears that like to release these dunks at random times, man. Tag on this joint reads Nike Dunk Low Retro BTTYS, which is Be True to Your School. The color is white, team gold, and white. This is a size 11, man. They didn't have my size, but I grabbed these joints for sure. It's the clean colorway. My favorite dunk color blocking, which is like the panda style color blocking. But let's get into these joints. Here we have the Nike Dunk Low in the white and team gold colorway, man. Now the label did read Be True to Your School. I'm not sure what school this is referring to. A lot of people was calling that green and yellow pair reverse with Brazil, but that's technically an Oregon dunk as far as Be True to Your School. This may be Purdue, maybe white and gold, maybe Vanderbilt. I'm not sure who's white and gold. It's a Nike school, maybe Purdue. But here we have the team gold dunk, man. It's laced in white smooth grain leather all the way across on that gold and white parts of the upper. It's that same regular dunk material, nothing crazy, no tumble leather or no crazy materials, anything like that. But it's definitely a super dope colorway, man. Getting to that back tab, you can see it's a gold smooth leather with the Nike embroidered in. Same white and gold smooth leather all the way around. Pure white midsole. Getting to that tongue, it's a white regular nylon tongue with the gold Nike stitched in. It does have a gold insole with the white Nike pressed on. And like I said earlier, man, it does have that pure white midsole with the team gold on the outsole, man. This is my favorite style of dunk, man. The panda dunk style, one color against one color, man. I like the two-tone, smooth color blocking, not all the crazy colors that they've been doing lately. This is a good one, man. White and gold, still giving like white and tan vibes, very neutral. A lot of people will buy these joints, bro. These joints will sell out every time, in my opinion. It's a smooth color. It's very cool for the spring, summer, fall. This is a year-round good shoe. And I grabbed it for retail, man. I just walk in, shopping in my local stores, bro. Just checking the stores one day, and I ran into these at City Gear. And they already released their pairs at a lot of City Gears here in Houston. A lot of Hibbit Sports around the area. So if you have those stores in your area, go ahead and check them out, man. You never know what you'll come up on. You never know. Now, as far as Nike, Shoe Palace, Foot Locker, and things like that, they have not released it. That's why I say I guess you can call it an early pair, but not really too early. They were scheduled for the 17th, if I'm not mistaken, but I think they got delayed on Nike. But we should be seeing them this month or early next month for sure. They had them loaded up once. I don't see them pushing it back too far. It's not a crazy special release. No crazy packaging, no collab or anything like that. So these should be coming soon. So if you like these joints, bro, just stay tuned and you'll be able to grab them for sure. Now, like I said earlier, bro, I did grab these joints for retail, which is 110 bucks, which is 119 in Texas with tax. As far as resale, they're going for like 160-ish to 180. Nothing too crazy, and that's still kind of pre-release. So these joints should probably settle out around like 150 in the near future. And they'll probably go up a little later over time with them being a neutral shoe. White, neutral color, tan, gold. It's a good shoe, man. So this one probably be like 200 all day at your resale shops. 160 in your local groups and things like that, bro. Definitely a good shoe. If you like it, I say grab it. If they had my size, I definitely would have grabbed these joints in my size. It's a cool color. Shout out to the alphas out there. Maybe it's the alpha in me. The white and gold looks good, bro. Definitely can get this off with some of your college gear for the bros. But it's a good one, man. Y'all let me know how you guys are feeling about these, man. White and team gold. Let me know if this is a good shoe. Is this a pass, drip, skip, flip? Let me know how you guys are feeling about these joints, bro. I like it. I like it a lot. I got a size 9 and an 11. If you're looking for it, hit me. I'll let them go for cheap, bro. This is a solid shoe. Just want to grab them and give you guys a review of these joints. Now, like I said earlier, man, I'm not sure of the official release date, but these will be coming soon, man. Stay tuned to your local outlets. Stay tuned to your nice kicks and your medias and things like that, bro. They're gonna post about these. A lot of your local mom and pops and stores like that may just shock drop them, and they may just pop up on the shelf one day. So just keep checking, keep looking for them. But to me, this is one of the best dunks to release so far this year, as far as like regular dunks. Super nice colorway, man. Real neutral, decent quality. I mean, it's a Nike Dunk, you know. It's that regular leather, nothing premium, nothing soft about them, but good shoe, no flaws, no stitching errors or things like that. Some minor glue stains around the front of the shoe, but overall, it's a decent shoe, man. But overall, man, just about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick and I guess early unboxing of this Team Gold Nike Dunk Low. But like I said, this is the Be True to Your School. Not sure what school it is, maybe Purdue, maybe Vanderbilt. I'm assuming Purdue, but I'm not sure, don't quote me on that. Are you looking to pick it up or are you skipping it, man? Are you just throwing this dunk to the side, waiting for the more heat or hype collab releases? Or are you looking to pick up just solid color and a Nike Dunk Low, man? Y'all let me know. Leave a comment down below. Until next time on the next video, man. Got the Team Gold Nike Dunk Low. Peace.